Hi everyone, welcome to module 3 lesson 2. Right, today we're going to focus on how to align your contents, orientate them as well as doing indentation. Additionally, we will be going through merging, unmerging as well as wrapping. Alright, so if you focus on the top bar, alright, the bar on top, alright, you go to the home and the alignment tab. So over here we'll be having all the necessary uh, functions that we need here. Okay, so the on the left side is the sample. All right, on the right side will be I will be showing you how it's done, so you see whether you match the sample or not. Okay, so for the first one will be the top align, so you can see is the very first one. If you hover over it, it will appear the top align as well, so you select it. So that will actually adjust your content towards the top. Okay, so depending on your requirement, your preference, or your need, okay, you'll find this very useful. And it's not just top align, you could go middle align as well. Bottom align is the default setting. All right, additionally, align left is generally the default setting as well for text. All right, unless you change according to unless it depends on the number format. All right, center is this one. Align right is over here. Okay, so if I select the align right, now rotate text up. Okay, you can select this orientation over here. So if I rotate text up, it will appear here. Now you can explore their other options. We could also go to format cell alignment, where we'll have a pop-up box and we'll have all the necessary controls here, and you can actually adjust to the degree of rotation that you want. All right. Lastly, we have the indentation. Okay, so the indentation, what it does is that it will give some space before your sentence starts. All right, so of course the prerequisite is that you have enough space in your cell. Okay, so we want to have indent one position, so I just click it one time, that will be enough. Of course I can decrease it again, or I can click it multiple times, but so it really depends on your requirement. All right, so another thing is about merging and wrapping. So if you have noticed previously, like certain things we will be able to have merging. Okay, so what does merging do is that if we select this group of cells, okay, we want to turn it into a single cell. So you go to the home tab, the alignment one, the alignment group, and then you click here, merge and center. So the default go to merging setting will be this one, merge and center. So what will happen is, you notice that I'll have it as a single cell, even though the other cells are still separated. If I press the down arrow, it will select the entire cell. Okay, another one is centered across selection. So this one again, I'll highlight the whole the range here. Okay, and if you click down here, centered wrong. Oh, sorry. This one you will need to use the indentation. So you need to push all the way to the center. Right? Uh, text wrap turn on. So notice that where usually if you type a very long sentence, the cell, the wrap, the sentence will spill over uh, multiple cells. Okay, and if you don't want that, select the cell that contains the words. Okay, you can select this one, wrap text. Okay, so what it does is that it will make sure the sentence, the next word will be that's going to spill over will go to the next line instead. Okay, all right, so this one, there will be a line break, so alternate enter. Okay, when we select auto enter, they will be able to have a other than wrap you wrap cell, but then you do notice that, wait, let me do it again so that you can see alternate enter. So you see this will actually push the sentence to the next line. So this is useful as well if you want to have spaces within the cells as well. All right, so you can use alternate enter. Okay, that will be all. Thank you.